Hello, I'm Chris from the Gunpla Network, and it's time for your Gunpla Network news for November 11th, 2018. All the following news can also be found on our website as soon as they are announced. Let's take a look at the new kits that Bandai released. To start off with, we have a HG BD1144 guard frame. This will be released November of 2018 with a price of 1,728 yen. Next, we have the HG BD1144 Shining Break. This will be released December of 2018 with a price of 1,944 yen. Next, we have the HG BD1144 Age 2 Magnum SV version. This will also be released December of 2018 with a price of 2,376 yen. Next, we have the HG BD1144 00 Sky HWS Transam Infinity Mode. This will be released November of 2018 with a price of 2,484 yen. Next, we have the HGUC 1144 Dijeh. This will be released December of 2018 with a price of 2,052 yen. Then we have the HGUC 1144 Narrative Gundam Pack A. This will be released November of 2018 with a price of 5,940 yen. Then we have the Gunpla LED Unit Blue. We don't have a price or a release date for this as of yet. Next, we have the Figure Rise Mechanics Haro. This will be released December of 2018 with a price of 1,944 yen. Next, we have the RG1144 Unicorn Full Armor. This will be released December of 2018 with a price of 5,832 yen. And now, a kit that a lot of people have been waiting for is the Master Grade 1100 Dynames Gundam. We don't have a price or a date of this yet. All we have are pictures of the prototype. Then we have the Perfect Grade 160 007 Swords G. This will be released December of 2018 with a price of 24,840 yen. Then we have a HIRM 1100 Astray red frame. This will be released November of 2018 with a price of 14,040 yen. And finally, we have the P Bondi Master Grade 1100 GM2 Semi Striker, and has a list price of 4,536 yen. And now for the top 5 builds. In 5th place, we have Songtham Vilbopanich and his Zaku heads. In 4th place, we have Nicolas Tejada Sanchez and his MGMK2 Custom. In 3rd place, we have Wilfred Chung and his Halloween Petty Guy. In 2nd place, we have Joseph M. Mims and his MG Isle Strike RM Custom. And in 1st place, we have Tutam and his 135th Sinanju Bust. Congratulations, Tutam, on winning 1st place. Now it's time for your Gunpla Network updates. On YouTube, we have 2 new episodes of Gunpla Insider. The first episode is with Nicolas Tejada, and the second one is with Dennis Curran. Also on our YouTube channel, we have a discussion regarding the Master Grade 1100 Dynames. We have an unboxing of the 1144 HG Gundam Dynames. We have a first look and lore at the HG-1144 Moon Gundam. And we also have a first look and lore at the RG-1144 Isle Strike. To see some of the greatest custom kits, head to our Instagram page. For all the fresh Gunpla news, please go to gunplanetwork.com. For one of the greatest Facebook communities, please check out Gunpla Network Group. That's it for your Gunpla Network news for November 11th, 2018. As usual, keep building!